Hi, my name is Joe. I live here with my wife and my daughter, and this is Rich. NID design was actually recommended to us by my daughter's friend. And originally we have 3 companies to quote, just to safeguard ourselves. And Sam from NID Design actually did a good job, and his pricing was pretty reasonable. We discussed with Sam because basically we already have a simple plan on the design. Because originally there's 4 bedrooms, and we need bigger space for ourselves. So we decided to tear down 2 bedrooms, create a homely atmosphere. So Sam from NID Design created this place for us, and we are pretty happy. On and off, I do entertain relatives and guests, and that's why we have a big wine fridge, and also we have a big storage place for all the liquors and my golfing equipment. And obviously, through Sam's recommendation, ladies being ladies, they have plenty of shoes, And he recommended improvement to the shoe cabinet, and that makes my daughter and wife happy. So basically, through Sam's recommendation, he did a good job because we told him that we want to emphasize on a homely atmosphere and not too flashy color. Well, my favorite part of the house is obviously this sofa that I'm sitting, because I get to watch a lot of movies, and also my balcony area whereby the family can get together, friends get together. Obviously, for my wife, she's very happy with her walk-in wardrobe, where she can display all her necessities, and also the bed she used to lie on to watch her TV. We actually tear down a bedroom to create a walk-in wardrobe that's linked to the master bedroom. My daughter actually wanted more storage, and Sam came up with the idea of a concealed platform beside her bed where she can store her things. My advice to new homeowner is always don't just rely on one quote. You have to get a few parties to quote, then narrow down to what you want to do. When we have problem, he's very attentive. He attend to it very fast. Well, I'm pretty happy with what NID Design has done for us, and Sam's team did a pretty good job. I strongly recommend people that are looking for ID people to consider them.